How to fix Telegram not opening on PC. So if you're facing a problem with the opening of Telegram on PC, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. It might be a Wi-Fi connection issue. So make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. And once you have that, you need to simply open up your task manager. Once you've opened your task manager, now here you may have the Telegram application. So if you have the Telegram application, for example, I have this OBS Studio, right? So you need to right click on that and then you need to end the task. So if you have Telegram, right click on that and then end the task of your Telegram application and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply remove that and then you can open up your settings on your device. Once you open your settings, now under your settings, you need to simply search for troubleshoot. Go for troubleshoot settings, and under your troubleshooter settings, you can simply choose a troubleshoot and the Windows will fix your problem of Telegram not opening on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.